How to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to activate your debit card. In order to do it so, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go with the www.online.dib.ae and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page click on relationship summary, after which you want to go to the card and select the card to be activated. Now activate the card and set PIN options will be displayed under the inactivate card. Now click the options. Next thing you want to do is enter a PIN and confirm new PIN as well. So click the continue button. Once you've done it so, now that you've actually done it so, go ahead and enter in the information. After which you want to go ahead and enter in your OTP and click on confirm. Once done, you need to click on the card, then card is activated and a new PIN is set. With this being said, you've successfully activated your Dubai Islamic Bank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.